Just showing you why Affinity Photo is cool at times when it comes to the cloning tools. So let's just go like that and it's fine. And I'll use this cloning tool, the Inpainting brush, and let's do this. That's pretty cool, isn't it? You could try to do that in Photoshop, but no, that's not gonna cut it. Let's give this a go in Photoshop. And different options. You can use a clone, but that's really not what we want here. I guess you could use the patch tool. You could go like this, and then kind of like aim it like that. Yeah, you could do that. But sometimes that's going to be tricky. So come on. Then I okay, I missed it. But anyway, yeah, you could do that. You can also see that it leaves some yellow color right there. Let's try the spot healing one. Just like give it one go, and it's not looking like Affinity Photo at all. Unless you get a really lucky shot. Oh, that's really bad. So yeah, that's not to say that Affinity Photo is fantastic when it comes to everything at all, but and sometimes these clone tools will be sometimes these clone tools, healing tools will not work the way that you would like for them to work.